TurboLearn AI helps students study more efficiently by instantly generating notes, creating flashcards, and summarizing key information from uploaded materials. Once you log into TurboLearn AI, from here, you can upload content in 3 different formats: PDFs, YouTube links, or audio files. Simply choose the format that works best for you. For example, if you upload a PDF document, regardless of its length, TurboLearn AI will analyze and condense it into an easy-to-read summary. A 75 to 80-page document can be reduced to just 15 to 20 pages, focusing on key concepts, important diagrams, and structured points to improve understanding and retention. The generated notes are visually appealing and well-organized, making them much easier to review and absorb compared to traditional notes. Another standout feature is automatic flashcard generation. With just one click, TurboLearn AI creates customized flashcards based on your uploaded content. These flashcards highlight important details and reinforce essential topics, making them perfect for revision and exam preparation. To take learning even further, TurboLearn AI includes a quiz mode. This allows students to test their knowledge, track progress, and identify strengths and areas that need improvement, all in an engaging and interactive way. If you rely on recorded lectures or audio files, TurboLearn AI has you covered. Its AI-powered transcription tool converts audio into a full-text transcript, ensuring every detail is captured. This eliminates the hassle of manual note-taking and ensures nothing important is missed during study sessions. Have questions while studying? TurboLearn AI includes a built-in chat assistant that acts like a virtual tutor. It provides instant answers and detailed explanations to help clarify doubts whenever they arise. For those who don't want to sit through long YouTube lectures, TurboLearn AI also offers an excellent video summarization feature. Simply paste a YouTube link, and the AI will extract key points, questions, and summaries so you can grasp the main concepts in a fraction of the time. More than just a study tool, TurboLearn AI is a complete learning assistant. It simplifies note-taking, creates effective flashcards, summarizes videos, and provides personalized academic support. By combining powerful AI automation with smart learning tools, it helps you study smarter, faster, and more productively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy and useful guides. Thanks for watching.